Hi, my little artists! Wow, look what we're drawing today. It's a beautiful, colorful umbrella. Let's start with a big round top.
Daddy wants to play. Snow, snow, go away. Snow, snow, go away. Come again another day.
Gently curve it, nice and smooth. Yes, that looks amazing already. Now let's add the little curved bumps at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So cute. Now draw a long straight line down for the handle. Make it nice and strong. And curve it at the bottom like a hook. Whee! Perfect. Now comes the most exciting part. Coloring time. Let's add bright orange. So warm and happy. Now blue. Cool like the sky.
Snow, snow, go away. Come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Snow, snow, go away. Snow, snow, go away.
Now sunny yellow. So bright and cheerful.
Snow, snow, go away.
And red. So bold and beautiful.
Come again another day. Brother wants to play. Snow, snow, go away. Snow, snow, go away.
Oh, wow. Look at our rainbow umbrella. It's so colorful and happy. Imagine it's raining outside. Drip, drop, drip, drop. But don't worry, our umbrella keeps us safe and dry. Yay! You did such an amazing job today. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to smile, keep drawing, and have fun. Bye-bye.
Come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Snow, snow, go away. Snow, snow.
Little cloud.